All right, guys, welcome, one and all. We are starting the Lake Traders University Hit and Run Asia session, trading, and I'm just going to write up my group here to get them going. Okay. Okay, we're going to circle here, get those guys in, followed by someone going prop trading one of the people, get those people in. I think that's it. And Crawford, if he wants to be part of it, not sure. Okay. All right, guys. I just wanted to invite some more people in. I want to say hello, howdy do, and hello to you guys if you're on the YouTube watching me. And we usually stream into Facebook. The problem is that Facebook changed the API connection. It's a very difficult process to even to start streaming in there. So just let's go ahead and do it this way. I hope you guys have had a great evening, a great day. Tuesday, terrific Tuesday. It's Wednesday in Asia. Right now it's almost noon. Oh no, 11 o'clock in Tokyo. And so we're going to get started with some trading. Just want to open up a little prayer. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this day. Thank you for the people who are watching. Bless all of them. Bless their families. Open our minds. We have great success today. In Jesus' name, amen. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we're going to go ahead and share my screen. And we got Keelan is here. Awesome. And let me go ahead and share my screen so we can get on with the goodies. Get on with the goodies, okay? Let me trying to move things out of the way here. And give me a moment here. I just finished our we just had our Kenneth Rad's in the room. We just had our session today, our coaching session, our Pip and Run coaching call. And so, back-to-back championships on a Tuesday, right? So let me go ahead and get that there. I'm going to share some sound, share. And one of my students, his name is Jan, and he recently wrote me yesterday or today. Says, hey, Greg, just wanted to reach out and say, thanks, mate. Started out with you. You gave me the base that allowed me to find my feet and stretch my legs in finance. I love it. I've taken strides in learning more around structure and fundamentals. I hold investments, which are up 15%. My crypto's over up 300%, all thanks to my analysis. A big part of that stems from what you endowed with me. Not sure if you get the credit you deserve, but I feel like you should know how you've helped me. It started with 1, 2, 3, ABC. And that is Jan. And so he was a student graduate of Pip and Run. And you can see he's up 300% and doing some great things. And I have countless testimonies of people who have worked with me, who I've helped achieve trading mastery. They're willing to invest in themselves. And when they were investing in themselves, then they had a really good return on investment, right? So let me go ahead and bring up our charts. I'm going to bring up some really ugly charts, right? I'm going to bring up something I don't use, right? I don't use this. He will say, Greg, what's this? I don't use this. Why are you showing it? It's like, it's like my mom, she smokes. Don't smoke cigarettes, right? Don't smoke cigarettes. I go, what? Do as I say, not as I do. I go, but. So anyway, there's a guy that's on Twitter. He's like showing these Ichimoku clouds. This is Ichimoku, And I told you, if I ever saw this in my chat room, I would just go totally ballistic, right? But this guy's in trading since 1982. I respect him. He's a dealer. And he has this on his charts, right? So so he doesn't have it all the time. He just puts it on like on a daily chart. And I don't want to. I see like that. So you have supply and demand zones, and we have some Ichimoku. It's a Japanese way of support and resistance. Like where is price? It's somewhere in here, right? But sometimes this is what happens with traders. They get their charts get too messy. And we try to simplify things here at Elite Traders University. Keep it really, really simple. Let's see here. We got hey, really? I'm sorry, I'm not prepared today. A little, we had a really good session. Wasn't that a good session today? Lots of participation, everyone's participating and clean. I can actually. There we go. There we go. Oh my God, what are you doing, Greg? Oh, that's why. I'm so we use 2 time frame analysis. I think. I'm gonna close you. I'm gonna close you. I'm gonna close you. All right. And I'm gonna open up another one of you guys. No, don't open up that one. You can't do that one. And oh no. There we go. And make that 4 hours. Up 1 minute. And make this 5 minutes. So what do we got going? Got 1 minute, 5 minute. Got to do a little counter trend trading here. And hope you guys are doing well. I'm a little sleepy. I'm in euro dollar, by the way. I got long at 107.40. And I'm not sure. We might come on down to the 200 moving average. You may. I wouldn't follow me in. I would wait. I would either wait or short me. Greg, short you? Like, yeah, you would make some money on the short probably. So don't take it. I don't take it personal. I mean, I used to have people in chat room, hey Greg, you're in the wrong direction. I'm gonna short you. I go, please do make money. Right? I have no pride, no ego. I'll even tell you that I'm on the wrong side of this. I don't think I'm on the wrong side of it. I did maybe a little early, right? I probably didn't let the full correction come out. But we'll see. Real simple stuff. This is our power trade system, right? I was up because I got in here, and then I just looked away and it came back down. But I was up like $160 or something like that. Well, let's see. I like trading multiple time frames. Higher time frames 5, lower time frames 1, factor of 5. Hope you guys doing well out there. Sometimes I do a lot of talking and teaching. So I might not have my live account up. I might actually have a demo account up. Okay. But I still apply the same methodology. I usually like it very, very quiet, kind of dark, kind of Batman, Batcave, what's his name? Starts from like Iron Man, Solitude. I've got my view of the canyon, looking out my balcony.
But then, you got, but I do have people who are interested in seeing how I trade. They're like, okay, I'll do it, but probably put my live account in the closet here. That way I can have attention to answer questions and stuff like that. Right. Price target. Let's do this little blood money risk management here. My old high up here is 107.41. I'm looking for the old high to get tagged. And right, 5 minutes. And I'm also, hey, I'm at break even nuts. And then my stop loss, I usually look at the swing low. And like I said in mentorship today, I subtract 4 from whatever that is. So that'll be 107.39 minus 4 is a 107.35. Makes it way down here. That's a big stop. So I'm looking for a move. Hey, I'm in the money. I might take one off, man. I took one. Well, I took the one off. I had to stop. I had the limit on, right? Like magic, right?
Bye, bye, bye!
There we go. There we go. What do you guys think about that? Show me some love in the chat box. Come on, inspire me. I'm tired. You guys know I was teaching the coach. I was teaching the pip and run coaching session. I was like, you guys do all the talking, really. Bill books a time with me. He books at like 8 o'clock in the morning, my time. He goes, hey, Greg, we have a meeting today. Like, no, I don't. It's 11 Pacific time. No, it's 11 Eastern time. 11 Eastern time is 8 my time. I'm not even out of bed. Hey, well, I got a few minutes. You got a few minutes. I need a few hours of sleep. Anyway, I do anything for my students. So I got up. Thank you. Keelan says good entry. I try. The key is entries. We have something called a PEZ, the perfect entry zone, not Pez, not that like gummy candy that you like chew on. PEZ stands for perfect entry zone. So how many times have you seen me like hit that thing and make money like in minutes? But yeah, every time, like 9 times out of 10, right? But we got a new guy. He's like going, how you doing? Well, I'm pretty good. I get about 60% win rate. I'm like, oh, okay. Let's get you involved in ETU. You get what you say? Oh, I'm sorry, chat box. Thank you. Yeah. You gotta remind because this thing, I don't know why. I want everyone to talk to each other. I like social people. Some of these gurus, they do like, I don't want you to talk to other people. I'm like, I don't care. Talk, socialize. Somebody set it up like that. It wasn't me. I mean, sometimes like I see like falling like that. Nah, get out. Try again, right? What I'm gonna do? Try another one. Try again. Oh, I need like a trigger. It's like something you'd be able to hit it. There's a script I've got. I can give to you. I hope it works. Oh, it's something. Oh man, I used to know what it is. I have so much stuff in here. I found it by accident. I'm gonna remember what it is. Remember what it is. Remember what it is. Is it quick? Quick deal? No, no, no. PSAR, price alert. Oh, wow. I remember seeing it. Order block edge. Oh,
Yeah. You ask it, I'm like, oh, you know what? No, it's called something. I saw it. Illo Fido, it's no function, it's where it functions. Load onto the channel, dashboard. Break even. Buy sell, it's called, is it buy sell, auto, something, no? All indicators, all chain, ADX. I think it's at the bottom. I saw it. Woody's, versatile, trend, trigger. I have to look at it. Trend confirmer. I actually had custom made. Creator session, creator file, third session. Dynamic total pips, trade, timing line, something. Because I really want to find it. Did you write it down? Please swing Forex. Supply and demand pro. Super trend up. Sounds way down. I know what it is. Oh, I don't know about that. He looks scary. It looks like he wants to drop. He wants to, yes, he wants to play games. Let's suck all of them. Oops. Let me hit it. Sports range bar chart. Sessions. Second chart. Sides, so numbers. Or right reversal, wrinkle maker, rectangle reader, round, quantum spread, Q5, Q cell, pure pullback solution, ESAR, tides patterns, dashboard, device channel, precision strength meter. A lot of these sound really good. I need to look at them. Pivot zone, pin bar, having where they're about band balance, order block edge, order block. How'd they get in here? I didn't download that. This was like something. Anyway, I actually have something in order blocks. I didn't even know. Oh, 0. Next close. Neural trader next close. But it's from Dr. Zarna. Dr. Zarna made it for me. Made this for me. Modify ending? Nope. Nope. Miss pivot. Wow. Market sessions. No. None of these. None of these. I saw it. It would trigger something in my memory. Sensor. Laser reversal. High, low. Red. No. That in these. Well, maybe it was. It's we make those. Freedom bars, no repaints. Buster. Extrapolator, functions. Something express trader or something. That's what it's called. Dual time frames. Delete pending, delete all objects. Dashboard, so gravity. Breakout. Indicator. ATR, maybe some news. Breakout, all change, all chart symbols. This is a good one. Where I think it's a script that changes all the. I don't think it works anymore. Hey, look, I'm in the money. Not even paying attention to it. Come on. Breakout, breakout. Do this some move average. Take it, baby. Take it out. To begin with. Remarkable. Well, maybe it's a script. That's the thing, it could be a script. Scripts are here. No, no scripts. I'll find it. Come on. Come on. You get against like what the sense, like it's like Jurassic Park and the Tyrannosaurus Rex is trying to push out. It's like ah. Breakout, baby. Do I hold it? Should I stay or should I go? Did that work? Did that work, guys? Show me some love. All right. You did it. Ring the bell. Ring the register, right? Hey, you guys on YouTube, did you get any of this? I know some of my YouTube people, they came back from yesterday. So, hey, that guy, we made money yesterday. Let's go see if he's back. I'm live. Are you watching the basketball finals? Watching multi-millionaires shoot a leather ball across the court. I have a better chance of making you rich than them. No, it's the same thing. I mean, I had a guy cuss me out and my sales rep out. How could you charge for this? It's, this stuff is like publicly available. It's like, well, why were you losing for 10 years? Apparently, you didn't find it. If I were watching, all right. My mom and my brother are watching today. Woohoo! Ken's back. No, I haven't traded Trade Locker. Is it any good? It's supposed to be like, what's we call it, Trade View, right? Rich! Falcon's a new person. 4 people, that's dedication. This is dedication. And Carol's here. All right.
three people. And I guess it was, oh, Travis is here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Travis is here. I got to meet Travis in person in Vegas. It was like meeting a rock star, you know. He started with me February of 2023. He didn't know what a pip was. He's like 4 prop accounts. He's quadrupled his live account or something like that. It's like he is a boy genius. Hey, Carol. This is Carol Howell? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say your last name. Sorry. Haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, that is real inspiration. I mean, in simulation, he was like 100% win rate. Thank you. Thanks, Travis. Thanks so much. Yeah, and that's all we do. We try to build an army of people, help them to take money out of the markets, keep it really simple, you know, kind of like, you know, buy on green, sell on red. And so, I mean, there's a lot more to the strategy. I have, well, part of my, charts screened out, secret sauce stuff. But if you guys want to talk with me and maybe register for a free strategy call, I'd love to talk to you and show you the compound day trading blueprint, absolutely free. And then if it makes sense for us to work with each other, then you can like say, hey, let me sign me up, or no, thanks, Greg. Okay? But at least you'll have the blueprint, show you how to, maybe you've got a small IRA and you want to compound it, because, I was watching Tony Robbins, he's in the, Tony Robbins, very big in the personal development space, but now he's getting to the financial space, right? He's writing a book on finances. I guess it's easy to write a book on finances when the market's gone up like 25%. But anyway, I'm not going to take anything from him. He's a great individual. He says, I know how we can solve the retirement problem. I go, whoa, Tony Robbins is going to solve the retirement problem. So I'm listening into this YouTube short, and he goes, well, first of all, you got to be 18. And I go, well, that takes me out of there. I'm not 18, I know there's no cell in the human body that's older than 8 years old, but I'm not 18. And then you save $800 a month from your 18. Oh yeah, $800 a month when you're 18 years old. Probably not going to happen, right? And if you save it, and then when you get to $28,000, like, oh, there you go, another stretch. Now you're saving for 7 years, you're 25 years old, and then you have $28,000 or something. And then he says, and then you put it in an S&P index fund. And then you hold it till you're 55 and you got enough money to retire. Almost like $1.6 million. I'm going, that plan really sucks, It sucks on many levels that you're not 18 and you're not going to save that kind of money. So, and let's say you're 50 and you got 3 kids and you're putting them through college and you make 6 figures, but you spend it like 6.5 figures. So you need to be able to compound because you don't have another 25, 50, you don't have 50 years left, right? So this was, being able to compound and hit trades over and over again, as opposed to waiting for like years for compounding. Oh, wow, I'm going to get 6% in index fund or 7 or 8% in index fund, right? You'll be dead before it ever gets to where you need to retire off of. So you have to keep working the rest of your life. But with scalping, short-term day trading is highly risky. You got a risk disclaimer, right? But the whole idea is being able to compound your gains over and over again. So you're able to, you can grow your account a lot faster, right? So, all right. So, Yeah, it's a demo, yeah. Because I'm teaching him talking, and I'm just don't want to blow my account talking to you guys, right? I love you guys, but anyway. 21, I had one loss for 21 bucks. But I was trading euro dollar shorts. I taught some euro dollar, the euro dollar buy against the trend, like I'm doing right now, right? $21 loss, 90, 95, 95. Yeah, and the only thing you have to worry about is maybe a broker that that goes out of business or changes platforms on you or locks your account. Uh-oh, we're gonna get paid, right? Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on, baby, come on. Hey, mom, bought one of these new pair of shoes. Come on, let's go. Oh, there we go. Keep going, keep going. Come on, give me a little piece of that. Oh, break even. Same stuff, got a nice little Fibonacci retracement here, right? So you got the 618 retracement at the 107.52, that's the Fibonacci expansion. But yeah, retracement level that we hit back here, we dropped to the 50% retracement, 107.35, right? So let's see if we can continue up to the old previous high, right? We had the pseudo double bottom there. And, I mean, we use some of the boring old school technical indicators there. Maybe a little comeback, right? Or recycle or use this. I don't want to waste trend lines. This could look like a double top. Maybe. I'm a bearish pattern, but I'm above my 200 simple moving average, and I've got maybe a trend channel, like you. Let's gotta make another one, right? Let's make another one. They're free, they don't cost much. Trend channel, okay. Yeah. I have 3 stages. I have a 3-stage process for learning how to trade the markets. Three stage roadmap called the roadmap to success. We take people through simulation first, and that way you can get rid of all the bad trades out of your system, right? By practicing in a simulator, practice on the weekend. Oh, here we go. Right. Practice on the simulator on the weekends. You practice during the week, and then after you practice simulator, you usually graduate. You're able to do 90% win rate for 14 days. So you don't move to the next level until you're able to do that 90% win rate. And then with no more than a 5% drawdown, you want to keep that drawdown roadmap. Talk and type at the same time, like pat your belly and chew gums, like, oh, I just jammed something up. Okay. Here we go. Right, simulation. You do simulation until you're 90% win rate with a 5% drawdown or less. You learn the shapes. You learn crawl like a baby. Use no real money. You don't have to worry about time because you just press the button to move to the next level. Then after you practice this, like 90%, 90% in average, that's not possible. Well, Travis is 100%. I think it's a spreadsheet. I have it up here. There we go. Everything is here. Look at this guy. Starting off 80% of his first try is not bad. 88.9%, 76%. 81% for the first stop. Then look at this. 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%. 49%, 40. I didn't know you were doing 49% ROI. 49%, 47%, 18%, 12% ROI. I don't really read these things. Yes, I do. But 100% on average, you did it for 14 days in a row. And so you graduated. So this is our trade tracking journal. And yeah, he did it, right? And then he moved on to level 2, which is demo trading. And we doubled the demo account. You can double a demo account with a drawdown no more than 5%. And then stage 3, you went to a double account. You're in the live market, fake money, but live market to develop that unconscious competency and patience. 85% win rate is all we expect. 5% drawdown again. Then you go to stage 3, a small live account. Put $500 in the account, and then you rack it up. You double it, you triple it, right? So I based it on parable of the talents. You know the parable of the talents in the Bible, the book of Matthew, chapter 25, where the master gives of 3 servants. He gave one 5 talents, another one 2, another one 1. And then the Bible actually says that they traded. The one that had 5 traded and made 5 more. That's 100%. And the master says, "Well done, good and faithful servant. Enter into my rest. Been faithful of little, you'll be given much. Enter my rest." And then the guy that had 2 made 2 more. "Look, master, I made 2 more. I traded, made 2 more." That's still 100%. You're faithful of little, be given much. But the guy that had 1, he got buried in the sand or something. Here's your 1 talent back. Like, "You wicked, lazy servant, get out of here. You suck," right? Take the one who has the 1 and give it to the one who has 5, because he who has much more be given unto him inside that. Anyway, I base this whole process on the parable of the talents, where I can get the guy to take their account and double it, and then they take this live account and they double it, and then they can move on to stage 4, which is the prop trading, right? Which is the natural, which we didn't have prior to stage 4, right? So it's not stage 4 cancer. No, sim, you're crawling like a baby. Demo, you're walking. Live, you're running. Stage 4, you're flying. Big why? Because you're powered by other people's capital, OPM, and that's our 4-stage process, right? And so, many of our students have, hundreds of thousands of dollars that they're trading, right? And so that's what I do. I help people fly. Do you want to fly? Well, then reach out to me. You can reach out to me, Greg at EliteTradersU.com. Right? But anyway, here we go. Oh, come on. Pay me. Time to get. Where is my not mine. I like using it. I love the sound effects, I think. Paul's here. Hey, Paul. Paul's off work. And he's in the room. What's up, my Houstonian? He took me out to lunch. So he fed me, so I let him in. No, it's like, come on, guy, let's go. 107.41. Another, I think we're shy of 50. Looking at the quarter lines, bankers levels, bankers levels are 25, 50, 75, 00. The 50 line is 50. You the 50 line right there. Let's see if we get to the 50 line. All right. Here we go. Trend line break in 5, 4. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes for the next 5-minute candle. And we break these highs right there. We got a lot of open space here. Lots of space, right? That's a tasty space. Yeah. Fill that space. Spacio. We got quarter to 10 or quarter to 11. Oh, 2 more minutes. Okay. And a lot of times these bots and things move stuff on the hour, quarter hour on the hour. All right, that's 10:44. Don't like that. You can boo it. time. If you're not in, you just wait. Now, really, there's a swing low right there. That swing low is at 107.41. I would subtract 5 pips from that. So it'll be 107.36 for a stop. So I take the last swing low. I think it's very important. I'm just remiss of doing that. 36. 30, because 36 is way down here. Yeah, look at that. That's 40, the low. 4 pips from that is 36. 36 is here. It's like, okay. 36, 36, that's 37, 36. 36. Oh, my goodness. You know why? Because I'm on a 1-minute chart, right? And so the stops look huge, right? I mean, that double top looks a little ominous there. Sometimes the market throws you a double top. This is a double top on a 1-minute chart. It's like that. Are you kidding me? And it just blows right through that. It's like, please. But it's the epic battle of the Bulls versus the Bears, right? And you have you've got this super downtrend, right? That's a super downtrend. I mean, but you also have some Horizons buyers, bargains hunters, right? And we all know that we get some type of an A, B, C correction, right? We have FOMC tomorrow. I believe we do. If anybody can double check that in the economic calendar for me. Go to mymarketheatmap.com front page. And again, I'd love to talk to you guys and give you a couple of hints. I remember I had Tracy Anderson. Now, Tracy saw like I did like a live trade or something like that. And she signed up for a strategy call. And we just went over her trade. I'm like going, you probably need to do this. You probably got your chart doing the wrong thing. And she goes, oh, okay. She changed one thing in her trading, and the girl hit 34 trades in a row without a loss. And then she wound up almost winning like the top trader contest. It was a contest with like top trader in the world. She came in second place. She was first place over the weekend. She lost it by one day. Guy etched her out, and but it was remarkable how just talking to someone outside of your wife doesn't want to hear about your trading. Your husband doesn't want to hear about your trading. Your dog doesn't want to hear about your trading, right? And you've been promising them, don't worry, honey, one day everything's gonna be great. Making all this money trading, and we're gonna be able to do this one day. They're like, yeah. So I had to buy mine a 3-carat princess cut diamond ring. And now if she says, hey, it's 3 a.m., it's London session, get up, you gotta trade. I'm like going, what do you know about London session, right? You don't know anything about London session. It's like, yeah, I do. That's how I got this ring. It was like, okay. Gold digger. So that's Tracy. Right. No, I think I was her trade, right? Well, go back here. What's up with Giazzo? What's going on, Giazzo? No, like totally another world. Okay. Go here. Everything. Right. So yeah, she like that Friday, she was up 154 points above this guy. And he just snuck up on her. I mean, they were close, right? So it's like leaderboard, top trader in the world, right? So she's like our Pippin runner. When she hit 34 trades in a row, she decided to enroll in the course. I mean, what is it? Where is it? I'm in my own. Really? I Yeah, here it is. with E. That's probably why I couldn't find it, right? She had my best ever week in FX, 34 trades and 4 losses. Thanks so much for your help, Greg, and the chat room has been a great help too, right? So just talking to her, she hit 34 trades in a row. And then she took the tip and run methodology and just crushed it, right? In fact, Top Trader interviewed me on yeah, they interviewed me on this whole, yeah, they gave me this whole interview based on, yeah, I says among many others, Greg coached Tracy Anderson, an Australian trader who placed second in last most top tier competition. The success like that. We wanted to find out a bit more about Greg and his path to success. So yeah, so they wrote a whole blog on me, right? So that's what I do. I taught middle school, South Central LA, and I taught those kids how to trade to keep them from like stealing things and causing mayhem. I said, I'll teach you how to trade. If you sit still, listen to what I'm teaching my English lesson. We gave like a half hour at the end of each trading period, after each class to learn about the markets, about, and so that was like, that was like the highlight of my day because I would talk to them about, trading options. So we could break out the newspapers, right? So we break out the newspaper. So we broke out the newspapers. This is my class, 1996. My class was a mess. It was like a shop class, but they all have newspapers, and they're all being able to. They did a stock. We won the stock market challenge back in '96, right? Which was like, it was super cool, right? And so I actually get to meet my student. Now she's all grown up. That's Tara in Texas, right? She's lives in Grand Prairie, Texas. And that was her when she was like 12 or 13, the stock market challenge. And in fact, she's just trading like stocks and things and commodities. I'm in Texas too. She says, Mr. McLeod, Mr. McLeod. I'm like going, who knows me as Mr. McLeod? And I go, someone from junior high school. And, so she has 2 kids. She drives a BMW. She has a nice house. It's like going from the ghetto to the big time is really, really good. And knowing that, really, she's like, these are my first Pip and Run students, really, if you go back in time, 96. So that's what I did. I love working with big kids and small kids. Yeah, many others. We had computers, back then. I brought the internet. I actually took a spool of wire. I said, they had all the stuff in the library. I'm like going, we need internet in the classroom. So I like took a wire, I spliced it, and I put the wires together, and I ran across the roof, and then drilled a hole, and then dropped the line, and then hooked computers. I got donations from the local supermarket. They donated all their old PCs, and I hooked them up and got computers for my kids. Because I said there was nowhere, so we don't have any money in the budget for computers. All right, whatever. I didn't let that stop me. $10:53. We got 2 more minutes for the 5-minute candle. This thing is kind of like kind of anemic here. Hopefully, we get 3 drives to a top. We broke below. And Keelan says, "You're blessed because you're a blessing, Doc." Thank you so much. Yeah, I try. I'm not perfect. I have a temper and stuff. But I genuinely do love people. I do really believe that we're here to help each other. And my goal is to see, I want to be a millionaire. I'm a millionaire maker. I've made like 5-6 millionaires. And it's so cool to be able to do that. I'm not sure some internet people like, oh my God, but people during the pandemic that didn't want to take a shot, or they are able to work from home because they learned how to trade, and seeing dreams come true, seeing like families reunited, my attorney in the Cayman Islands. I used to fly to the Cayman Islands. I'm not telling you why I fly to the Cayman Islands, but you can kind of figure it out. My attorney goes, well, how do you make all this money? What do you do? So, what do you think? I sell drugs or something? That's like, no. I didn't think that. What do you do? I'm a day trader, baby. Right? I'm a trader, one license plate. I'm a trader. He says, oh, really? Well, my wife's been trying to trade for a long time. She's been losing money. Can I enroll her in your class? I go, yeah, sure. So I enrolled her in my class, and she, oh my God, she's a Russian lady, and she's like really like, like I'm going to get 90%, and she just pushed it, and she did really well. Make average about 40% when 40% return on investment, right? But then I went to I called up my law firm, and I said, hey, where is X? I need to have some work done. And he goes, he's not picking up his phone. Oh, he doesn't work here anymore. He doesn't work here anymore. No. Where is he? You need to talk to him. So I called him up. I said, hey, buddy, where are you? Where are you? What firm are you with? Oh, I'm not with any firm. What do you mean you're not with any firm? So what do you do? Oh, I trade. You trade? Where do you learn trading from? You didn't take my class. Oh, my wife taught me. Oh, she signed a non-disclosure, non-compete agreement. Well, I wrote it. I tell you what, I'll give you a good testimony on YouTube. I go, you know what? You're such an attorney. That's why people don't like you guys. You owe me money. And anyway, he has two beautiful daughters. They're like 5 and 10 years old. And he couldn't afford to live with his family in the Cayman Islands. He had to send them to Germany to live because it's so expensive. So, your attorney, you think you're making a lot of money, but, so I asked him, I said, well, Remo, do you miss being an attorney, right? And he sent me this message. I messaged him on Twitter, right? So I'll show you the message. That's the KFC. Let me tell you the story here. This is the KFC in the Cayman Islands. They call it the consulate because all the chickens hang out in front of the KFC. They all go there. It's like, this is not the place. I'm in the Cayman Islands, and this is the only KFC in the Cayman Islands, but the chickens hang out in front of the KFC. I just want to show you that, right? Because I'll show you what the story is all about, right? So I wrote him. I asked him. I said, "Hey, Remo, do you miss being an attorney?" He says, "Ha ha ha! I would be getting up at 7:15 to drive to an office jail cell, peruse mind-numbing documents that you'd have to correct, have to send out invoices, go to meetings, rush a KFC lunch in 45 minutes. Man, do I love Forex. Bless the day you came into the office." How's that? How's that, guys? In fact, I think I still have this. I get this card as a memento, but yeah. If people say, "Oh, are you making this stuff up?" Like, no, this stuff is real. I can substantiate. I got lots of stuff. Here's his. Oh no, here it is. So that's him. Cayman Islands, right? So I'm saying anything is possible. Oh, what's going on? Anything's possible when you put your mind to it. He wants that. So that was his plan. He's like, I'm gonna have Svetlana as his wife. Well, yeah. If you saw in my videos, Svetlana is the one that used the heat map to trade. And she actually wrote the samurai sword course. The samurai opening range breakout course is written by her. So, I mean, because she is so smart, and so they're a power couple. And like I said, their kids are they're just lovely. It's like going, you know what? It's okay, Remo. Because you know why? You could be with your kids and they travel the world. They don't hang out. They go to different countries. And they were traveling a lot before the the COVID thing happened, right? They were traveling, living in Malaysia and Thailand, and you know, just living the dream. And that, bringing of a husband and wife together and the kids, so he's not an absent daddy, and I had a hand in that. I'm, I'm really happy about that. That is really something that when you die, I mean, you had to. I remember like having a relative die and they go, "Oh, you have to make the obituary." Like, well, what did he do? He went to work. He he um he was married, and he was a God-fearing man. And I'm like, this is gonna be a real short obituary. You gotta give me something else to work with, right? And what kind of legacy you're gonna leave behind, And the way you do that is by, if you help someone and you going down in their memory as, oh, I remember when this person did this for me, and now you're alive in their memory, forever, as and then they'll do, the story about, hey, I remember when this person did this, right? Just like your teachers, your teachers are the same way, right? You remember the teacher that was inspiring, but the knucklehead you don't remember, right? So yeah, that's her. Yeah, she's smart. Yeah, real smart. Because I asked her, I go, did you tell your husband about the pip and run system? And she says, of course I did. I don't keep secrets from my husband. I'm like going, you know what? You're just like him, Like I said, they have two beautiful, beautiful girls. And so I'm just happy that they're together, right? There we go. Hey, 11:01, baby. I'm out. Take it. Take it. All right. Hey, I'm out. Me too. Uh-oh. I win. God bless the USA. God bless you guys. Thanks so much for joining me for Pip and Run. Remember, if you want to learn more from me, come over to elitetradersuniversity.com and get my free ebook. There's some free goodies there for you. I know you guys are like free stuff. Who doesn't like free stuff? There's a free ebook. There's a free masterclass. Just fill in your name, email address, and if you want to talk to me, then click apply. And it might not work. We'll see if it works. It looks like it's trying to work. Oh, it's just not. I'm so embarrassed. I need to get somebody proper to fix that one. All right. I tell you what, though, you can. I'm gonna put it right here. Email me at greg@elitetradersview.com if you want to enroll in Elite or Pip and Run. If you want to find out more about Pip and Run mentorship and all we have to offer there, okay? greg@elitetradersview.com, and we'll talk to you soon. Guys, any last words? How you guys do? Talk to me in the chat room. Did you guys just watch? Did you make some money? I bet my YouTube, you're like, look, I don't know about those. They got prophets never appreciate his own village. But they go to the Samaritan village and they're like, yeah, man, this is cool. We got miracles going on here. I had a great time. That's good. I'm trying to find my YouTube guys. Some of you try this. I have to type here. Like, I don't know where my view channel, live trading, and where's the chat box? Okay. And there we go. Anybody trade? Anybody trade the euro? Kiwi yen right now, making money up to. Nice, Carol. Congratulations. Yeah. Very cool. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for me. I want to thank you so much for joining me, and we'll talk to you soon. You guys have a great day. God bless. Jesus loves you, and I love you too. All right. Bye-bye.